Hello students, in the previous video we solved exercise 2.7. Today we are going to start with division of decimal numbers. That is division of a decimal number by a whole number, division of a decimal number by another decimal number, then division of decimal numbers by 10, 100 and 1000. And each type of division I will explain by solving the exercise sums. That is exercise 2.7. All the types of sums are given in 2.7. So exercise 2.7 we can start with. So the first question in that exercise 2.7, that is find 0.4 divided by 2, that is division of a decimal number by a whole number. 0.4 divided by 2. Here this I am going to solve by two methods. See here the first method, you see 0.4 can be written as 4 upon 10 divided by 2, isn't it? Now that's equal to 4 upon 10 multiplied by 1 upon 2. Division of fractions you have learnt. That's equal to 4 into 1 upon 10 into 2. 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 upon 10 will give you 0.2. This is the first method, one method. Now the second method, see, or you can do it as 0.4 divided by 2. Isn't it? That's the question. See, first you divide 4 divided by 2. What answer you get? 2. Isn't it? Without considering the decimal point, divide the number. Now see how many decimal places are there? One decimal place. So 0.4 divided by 2 is equal to 0.2. Count the number of decimal places and give it in the quotient. Is that clear? So here I am going to follow this method of division. Is that clear? So this method also you keep it in mind. But this is little lengthy, but this method you can do very easily. Now, the second question we can solve by the second method. 0.35 divided by 5. 0.35 divided by 5. Okay, now you know that 35 divided by 5 is equal to 7, isn't it? How many decimal place? 2. Therefore, 0.35 divided by 5 is equal to 2 decimal place 0.07. That's the answer there. Third one. Now 2.48 divided by 4. That's the question. So we can write 248 divided by 4. Find out 62. How many decimal place? 2 decimal place. Therefore 2.48 divided by 4 is equal to 0.62. Now, fourth one. 65.4 divided by 6. What is 654 divided by 6? That's equal to 6 ones are 6, 0 and 9. Therefore, 65.4 is equal to how many decimal place? 1. 10.9. Now fifth one. 651.2 divided by 4. Isn't it? Is that clear? Now here 6512 divided by 4 is equal to 1628. Therefore, if you are finding it difficult to divide directly, do it in the working column there. Therefore, 651.2 divided by 4. How many decimal place? 1. So you will get 162.8 is the answer. Okay. Now, out of 8 sums, I solved 5 sums here. Now question 6, 7 and 8. You have to practice in your book. Now we can start with question 2. Question 2, 3 and 4. Division by 10, 100 and 1000. Okay. So question 2. First question. 4.8 divided by 10. Told you division by 10 means you have to shift the decimal point towards the left by how many place? One place, as there is only 1 0. So shifting this decimal point to the left by one place, 0.48 you will get. Okay. Now second one, see what's the question. 52.5 divided by 10. Towards the left, 5.25 is the answer. Now third one, 0.7 divided by 10. Here also shifting towards the left. See how many places? One place. So you will get 0.07. Already the decimal is there. Now then fourth one, 33.1 divided by 10. Here 3.31, isn't it? Now next one, fifth one, 272.23 divided by 10. 27.223, isn't it? Now question sixth one, 0.56 divided by 10. One place to the left, 0.056. Then seventh one, 3.97 divided by 10, 0.397. Is that clear? That is division by 10. Shifting the decimal point to the left by one place. Now same way you can do by 100. That is shifting the decimal place to the left by two places. In question 3, there are 6 questions. I will show you 3 questions. 2.7 divided by 100. Then second one, 0.3 divided by 100. And question 3, 0.78 divided by 100. That's equal to, find out how many places? 2 places. So 2 to the left, it becomes 0.1 place means actually 0.27, then one more place. So 0 to 7. Here also how many places? 2 zeros. So 0.003 is the answer. And next one, same way here also. How many zeros? 2 zeros to be given. 0.0078. Okay. Now question 4, 5 and 6 you have to try. Then fourth one, that is first division by 1000. 7.9 divided by 1000. Then second question, 26.3 divided by 1000. Question 3, question 2 and question 3. 38.53 divided by 1000. 1000 means shifting the decimal point towards the left by 3 places. So here it can be 0.0079. Then here it will be 0.0263. Then next one, 0.03853. This is the answer. Okay. Here also question fourth one, 4 and 5 you have to try. I hope it's clear to you. Division by 10, 100 and 1000. Now the next question, that is fifth one. That is the division of a decimal number by another decimal number, or a whole number by a decimal number. The first question, 7 divided by 3.5. Listen how this is to be done. See, 7 can be written as 7.0. Why? Because see, the decimal places in 3.5, the divisor 1 decimal place is there. So the dividend also we can make 1 decimal place by writing 7.0 there. That is equalizing the decimal places in both dividend and divisor. Now see here, if we equalize the decimal places, it is easy to write 70 upon 35. So what's the answer? That is clear. Suppose if there are 2 decimal places in the divisor, dividend also you have to make it into 2. Same way in dividend the decimal places are more, the divisor also equate the decimal place there. That is second one. We will solve the sums there. 36 divided by 0.2. It can be written as 36.0 as there is only 1 decimal place, then 0.2. It can be written as 360 divided by 2, that's equal to 180. Okay. Now third one. Third question. 3.25 divided by 0.5. Listen here. Here how to make the decimal places same. That is, here how many are there? 2 are there. So we can write 3.25, but in the divisor only 1. Give 1 0. I told you adding zeros towards the right or the extreme left, their value will not change. So this can be written as 325 upon 50. Simplify with 5. 5 tens are 50. 5 6 are 30. Then 5s are 25. We will get 65 upon 10 can be written as 6.5. So 6.5 is the answer. Now fourth one. 30.94 divided by 0.7 can be written as 30.94 upon how many here? Only 1. So we can write 0.70, isn't it? Now that's equal to 3094 divided by 70. Simplify by 7. 7 tens are 70. Here 7 fours are 28. Then 2 again 29. 4s are 28. 1 and 442. We get 442 divided by 10 will give you 44.2. 44.2 is the answer. Okay. Now the next question, that is the fifth one. Question 5. 0.5 divided by 0.25. How to do? Here 2 decimal places. So here also it should be 2. 0.50, 0.25. Clear? Now that's equal to 50 upon 25. Answer is 2. 2 is the answer. Sixth one. 7.75 divided by 0.25. Here dividend and divisor decimal places are equal. That's equal to 775 upon 25. The answer you will get 25 ones are 3s are 75, then 2 1. So answer is 31. Okay. Yes. Now the seventh one. Question 7. 76.5 divided by 0.15. See here, dividend only 1 decimal place. That can be written as 76.50 upon 0.15. That's equal to 7650 upon 15. 7650 upon 15. That's equal to, see here, 5 3s are 15 with 5. 5 1s are 5. 5 5s are 25. Then 3 and 0. Then again with 3. 3 1s are 3 5 1 0. So answer you will get 510 is the answer. Is that clear to you? Now there are 2 more questions. Up till 7 I solved. 8th and 9th you have to try. Question 6 is a statement sum. I'll read out the questions first. A vehicle covers a distance of 43.2 km in 2.4 liters of petrol. How much distance will it cover in 1 liter of petrol? So first we can write distance covered in 2.4 liters of petrol. Distance covered in 2.4 liters of petrol. What is the distance covered? 43.2 km. Okay. Now, therefore, distance covered in 1 liter of petrol. Therefore, distance that can be covered in 1 liter of petrol. How will you find out? Divide. That's equal to 43.2 upon 2.4. Isn't it? Decimal places remains there equal. So we can write 432 divided by 24 kilometer. Isn't it? Find out the answer. That's equal to 432 divided by 24. Okay. 6 4s are 24. 6 7s are 42 and 2 6 2s are. 4 1s are 18. Okay. So what's the answer? 18 kilometer. Is that clear? Now we can write the final statement, that is the vehicle will cover, that is the vehicle will cover 18 kilometer in 1 liter of petrol. The vehicle will cover 18 kilometer in 1 liter of petrol. I hope this complete exercise is clear to you. Now the sums that I have not solved here, okay, the similar type of sums, I'll give you the numbers once again so that you can do at home in your book. That is in question 1. In question 1, it is 6 to 8. That is 6, 7, then 8. 6, 7 and 8. And question 2, I solved all the sums. And question 3, 4 to 6. Question 3, 4, 5 and 6. 3 questions. Small sums only. And question 4, it is 4 and 5. 4 and 5. And question 5, 2 questions. Question 5, 8 and 9. 8, then 9. Remaining all questions I solved here only on the board. So you try this at home. Practice the complete exercise. Okay? Thank you.